How to calibrate your monitor on Windows. Welcome back everyone. Today's mission is achieving perfect color accuracy on your Windows monitor. We'll conquer monitor calibration in under 2 minutes, so buckle up. Monitor colors can drift over time, appearing too bright, too dull, or with color casts. Calibration fine-tunes these settings, ensuring images and videos look their best. This is especially important for creative work like photo editing and design. For the most accurate results, turn on your monitor and let it warm up for at least 30 minutes. This ensures consistent display behavior. There are two ways to calibrate your monitor on Windows, and here's a quick method. Search for Calibrate Display Color in the Start menu and launch the tool. Follow the on-screen instructions to adjust gamma, brightness, contrast, and color balance. These sliders will affect what you see on the screen. For even more precise color control, consider using a hardware calibration tool. These tools use a special sensor to analyze your monitor's output and create a custom profile for optimal accuracy. Once calibrated, you can enjoy vibrant and true-to-life colors on your monitor. Whether you're working on creative projects or simply browsing the web, your eyes will thank you. For a quick calibration, your monitor is ready to display colors accurately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech optimization tips.